Yo, what's up? It's Visual Waste here, guys, and we got another huge shipment from Graff City. So let's get to it. So without further ado, guys, let's get to it and get this opened. These boxes are absolutely beastly. So I'm hoping the guys at Graff City have hooked me up with some cool stuff in this order. Okay. Alright. First up, we've got Astrofats, a Montana brand Astrofats. I got an absolute shitload of these. Bag of 100. I'll let you know the price in a minute. Some lovely disco pinks. Yeah. Some dark blue there as well. There's going to be a lot more colours in this order, guys, because I'm painting a huge gable wall and there's loads of really nice colours in the piece. So I had to get me some of these kind of electric-y colours just to make it all pop. Stocking up on the matte white. It's a 94 matte white. There you go. Put that to the side here. Oh my days. Some lovely reds in there. Okay, this looks like some nice, almost like a khaki colour. Some gondola brown. Lovely. So that's 6 cans of that as well. Alright. Oh, we got some nice greens here. Okay. Now check that out. Fluor green. How luminous does that look? That's going to be deadly, that there. So, if you're band 94, guys, right, you'll see here's a standard can, right? It'll give you a wee star rating on the side, if you can see that. Just there. What this means is, it's the transparency of the colour. So what you find with the 94 range is the sort of lighter colours and the high velocity colours, the almost the luminous fluoro colours, you get a lot of visibility through them. So you don't want to be, with this range, you don't want to be just putting this onto a primed wall. What you find is you want to be going on top of some darker shades of green with these colours, just to give you more sort of highlight and make it look as if it's glowing. So always make sure, right, because I've spoke to people who have bought this and have said, oh, it's not great because the coverage isn't brilliant, but that's because it's meant to do that. So you got to know what you're buying it for. So always check the transparency of them. They're just there. More fluoro there. Some of that Frisco green. It's a nice light green. Alright. Some pinks in here, I think. Nice. Yeah, we've got some chewing gum pink and some tutti frutti pink. I bought these before, I've unboxed them before. Kind of my favourite pinks. And a fever red. I find the fever red is almost very similar to a pink. It's that in between in the colour chart, so they go lovely together, these colours. Makes it all pop. More fever red there, chewing gum, tutti frutti. Okay. Next up we've got, oh yeah, some purples. And a lighter shade of green. So you've got that Frisco green and then you've got a Vespa green as well. So you can see them. That's the difference in the two there. Some lovely Reverend Violet and then Sultan Violet. They're real nice colours together too. and a bit more of that Vespa green as well. You can already see laying this out, you know, I can see the elements of the mural that I'm going to be working on. It's going to be so dope. So the mural that I'm doing is over in Limavady, and it's going to be a piece of advertising for a music festival called Stenhall. And it's going to be so sick, I can't wait to get painting it. Some air white, that's the transparent stuff. So again, if you look at the transparency meter, there's only a 1 on that because that's what you want. With the transparent white, it is quite hard to use. You give it a spray and it doesn't really do much, but what you have to do is let it dry a wee bit and then layer it up. Keep layering it and it'll gradually get lighter and lighter and lighter. It's the same rule applies to the shadow black too. You just gotta build it up in layers, man. London grey, as usual, always get a little bit of grey mixed in too, just in case. London grey and pearl grey, two of my favourites there. So yeah, this order's just roughly over 500 quid. It should keep me going, it should let me do this mural, and then I should have a wee bit left over too. Keep me ticking through the summer, you know. Some clandestine, I love that clandestine. It's kind of like, do you know the colour you would get on them stamps, them like old worldy stamps you used to get? So say like the king sent you a letter and he stamps it with a big K and the red. So that's kind of that colour there, it's nice. Some light red, some more light red. Absolutely popping that light red, I love that light red. Alright, some yellow here. Let's check it out. Some party yellow. I don't know why it's called party yellow. Party yellow anyway. Party and canary. So they're a nice combo together, them two. Some of that mole brown to go with the gondola brown. That's just another shade inside it. A wee bit punchier, a wee bit lighter. Some more canary and party yellow. Alright. Oh, got a really light box here. Oh, I wonder is that what I think it is? Yeah. So if you've watched the unboxing videos before, you see that I usually buy a respirator, which is just a mouth and nose respirator. But what I've found recently and working on bigger walls is I get loads of paint in my eyes, and surely your eyeballs are absorbing the fumes as well, so it can't be very good for you. So what I seen Graff City are doing now is a Breaking Bad mask, full face mask, just to keep your eyes clear too. So I'm looking forward to trying this out, and it's really light as well. It's pretty dope. Full face mask, like SWAT team or some shit like that. Okay, two more in here. Where'd I put that knife? Yeah, so some more kind of browns, some of that craft and Inca brown. The Inca has a nice kind of orange tint to it, I like it. It's cool for skin tones. And then more of this is Marrakesh brown. Loads of brown in this. Safari brown, it's very yellowy brown. You can see it there beside a yellow. It's like a yellow pigment in it. And then that is a light yellow. Okay. Last box for this one. And then look, there's one more. Okay, I think these are pinks and reds. Yeah. So that is actually a red, that's the Akai red. It's very, very purpley kind of colour, it's an unusual kind of colour. Magenta. Erica, it's a lovely pink. Some Rosa. Tokyo. pinks, right? And some supernova pinks. Lots and lots of pinks. And then finally out of that box we got a Bordeaux red, so it goes nice with a clandestine as well. I'm sure it needs to get it in the light red. So I like to get at least 3 or 4 shades of every colour that I'm working with, because it allows you to get more texture, get more depth in your piece. So next up, this one is so heavy. There was no cool stuff in that one either, so hopefully there's some cool stuff added to this one, some free stuff. Can't beat the free stuff. Graff City always hit you up with a bunch of slaps and cool stuff like that. You can actually, when you're checking out your order, you can go to a section called add free stuff, and it allows you to, like, you can choose between markers and color charts, stickers, all that kind of stuff. So you can actually add your free gift, which is a nice wee thing that they do. Alright, I can see some cool stuff already. Got some 94 of the full all color charts. Is it? Yeah. Very nice. You can see straight off the bat there, the 94 is the biggest color chart of the lot. You know, they do the most colors, most shades. Can't go wrong with 94. It's my go-to tune. Hardcore slaps. Montana slap. These shiny ones. I love these chrome ones that are coming through. Some multi stuff. Oh, they're the fine art ones, the slightly dearer cans. The coverall range. The standard multi range. The one for all acrylic range. Oh, look at this. Nice wee catalogue. All the way from Germany. Some cool stuff there. Gas, chemical solvents, nitro alkyd, AutoCAD pigments. All that lovely stuff that you don't want to be inhaling. Okay. Oh, a big Graff City slap. Nice. Iron lac slaps, more iron lac. Montana black color chart. Dope can sticker. Water-based one. That's the same, the Zeitgeist Meeting of Styles poster I showed you in the last unboxing. There's a Warner sticker, shout out to Warner. Nice. Grocery stuff. Another multi. Artist feedbacks. So they're going to bring out a water-based range in the multi. That should be nice. Looking forward to trying that. So I've seen some of these videos on YouTube where they went to like Mr. Sen's studio and there's a couple of guys painting the multi-train. There's some cool stuff happening there with some different dudes. Nice. It's always nice to have a wee catalogue. Oh, we've got an on the run pump float. Looks like it's been leaking a wee bit. That looks like red. Oh. Yeah, it is red. Oh dear. It's like a blood kind of red out there. Cool. Got some Hello My Name Is stickers, another hardcore catalogue, 94 catalogue, and the Montana Speed Paint catalogue, Mr. Serious slap, loads of stuff. Okay, so let's get to the paint part. Got some cans in the, it actually looks like blood. Blood red. More of the fluoro colors, guys. We've got the hand for pinks. Whoa. They're so cool.
Now in my younger days I used to more than that. When I went to school I carried lunches in the bag. Was the apple for my teacher cause I knew I get it.
Fleur fuchsia. Nice as well.
But when it was a session, I always had a question. I would raise my head to make a question to my
I'm running out of bench space here, guys. There's so much paint.
Oh, how I wish I could hold a hand and give her a hug. He was married to the man, he was a thug.
Yeah, some of the shadow black. Got 5 cans of shadow black.
I was on her dock, I wrote graffiti on the block.
The shadow black always sounds a little bit different compared to like it's up here. I think it's something to do with this donut. They always sound a wee bit different. Graff City pen. Nice. There's a wee bit of neon green there as well. So you can see like there's quite a lot of high velocity colours in this mural I'm doing. Which is slightly different for me because I'm used to sort of working with them black and greys, you know, doing only a wee bit of colour. So it'd be nice to blast some colour up onto a big gable wall. Here's some of my flash tones because there's a person in the piece. It's a girl. Dingo brown. Jama brown. And yeah, dingo and jama, yeah, that's all there. So that's more for the face part. You get these two colours really for your dark parts and your highlights, and a wee bit of shadow black, and maybe a wee bit of like a lighter white, off-white maybe. Even maybe some of that Inca, you know, for the darker parts. You can do any kind of portrait with that kind of them 4 cans. Loads of green here. They're all neon green. There's a lot of green in the piece. All neon green. Cardboard. Some more, I don't know how to pronounce that. Jima? I don't know. Tanner brown. There, that's the Jama brown. Okay. We got some Rita Gray. Nice. And kind of black. I'm thinking here that the rest of this is going to be all black cans. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. So there's like 20 odd cans of black. Absolute shitload of paint here. I won't use it all in the mural, like there'll be a lot of ones left over, you know, for other stuff. And yep, again, the entire order, there was not one thing shipped out or swapped around. So yeah, it was 531. I had £9 in my e-wallet from the last time, so we got £9 off. The courier was 20, and it was free because I went over a certain price threshold. So I got free postage, got some free gear, and I got £9 discount. So you can't be bad to that, guys. Shout out to Graff City. They always deliver on time, never swap out the paint. So thanks guys for sending that over. Thanks for the free gear and the free markers and stuff as well. Check them out guys, there's a link below. Tell them Visual Waste sent you.